Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the text color in your Google Slides presentation. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead to the official Google Slides website right here at docs.google.com, and after doing that guys, go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Google Slides, where you can see all the presentations that you have, as you can see right here. So guys, now what we can do is go ahead and open up the presentation where we want to change the text color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that by clicking on the presentation right here. And after clicking on the presentation guys, now we'll be greeted by this main page right here, where we can see our presentation with all the slides. So guys, let's go ahead and say we want to go ahead and change the text color from some text on this presentation right here. Go ahead and select the text that you want to change the color for. As you can see, I have selected the text right here. And now what we can do guys is go ahead and look at the top of the screen at this menu right here. And we want to go ahead and find this button right here that says text color. So guys, go ahead and find text color. And now we can click on that and select what color we want the text to be. So what we can do is go ahead and select the text we want to change and select the color. And as you can see, we have now successfully selected a different color that's going to go ahead and stay in the presentation. So yeah guys, go ahead and until you find the perfect color and leave it at that and save it. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.